Alright guys, so I had this old battery doctor 150 amp laying around, and I got one battery over there, I got another battery over here, and I'm gonna do a setup on here. So basically you have a negative, which is this. It's a ground, and you pretty much hook it up to the ground, which is normally the frame of the car. So when that's hooked up, you obviously have two connections, a main and auxiliary. This is the auxiliary battery. So the positive is going to go to the positive, and the positive of the what am I saying? The positive of the main, these mosquitoes, is going to go here. Now, I've seen so many, I've seen a lot of van life videos where a lot of people are just using solar, and I think a lot of these people just don't understand the concept of a battery isolator, so they don't actually have one in their truck. You know, if you drive around that much, if you're in your van that much, you probably won't need solar if you have these battery isolators. You know, obviously what it does is it isolates the two battery, but if the main battery is charged up, what it'll do is it'll start charging up this one. But you know, it doesn't, you know, so it's always separate, but you know, you can charge up from your alternator, from the main battery to your auxiliary battery. So in any case, even if you don't have solar, you always have power from your auxiliary. And I don't think a lot of people understand that concept or know that this actually exists. This has been around for a while. I've had this unit for years, just haven't gotten around to using it, and just had a really good time. Well, I haven't gotten around to using it for this one, but you know, oh crap, I just dropped it. Another one. Anyway, you guys know what I mean when I see if I can find this.